The first Bitcoin ETF has actually been announced in Canada. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what exactly happened, what this means for the future of Bitcoin, and pretty much just go over the recent news. What is going on, everyone? My name is Radies, and on this channel, we talk all about the stock market, cryptocurrencies, investing, real estate, all sorts. If you're new around here, consider subscribing as I'm on a mission to get to 4,000 subscribers. Please help me out down below and consider subscribing. Now let's get right into it. Before we start, an ETF. What is an ETF? An ETF is an exchange traded fund. Pretty much an ETF, think of it as a pool of money collectively buying a bunch of different things, and you get to reap the rewards of everything. So obviously there are certain platforms out there where you can buy a percentage of a stock. So you can buy, like 10% of Tesla stock. Imagine you can buy something and that fund buys a bunch of different things, so you have access to a bunch of different things inside the fund. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, here, I'm just going to read off a description for you guys. An exchange-traded fund is a type of security that involves a collection of securities, such as stocks, that often track an underlying index. Although they can invest in a number of industry sectors using various strategies, ETFs are in many ways similar to mutual funds. If you guys don't know what mutual funds are, again, pretty much similar to ETFs, okay? ETFs are also kind of different because they are listed on exchanges and the ETF shares are traded throughout the day just like an ordinary stock. So for example, there is the S&P 500 ETF, which is ticker symbol SPY. I know there are ETFs for marijuana stocks, there are the ARK Invest ETFs, and pretty much there's just a bunch of ETFs that you can buy into so you can kind of get access to multiple stocks in different industries. And now what happened is there is now a Bitcoin ETF, which is going to be tracking the price of Bitcoin. So Purpose Investments Incorporated said Canadian securities regulators have cleared the launch of the Purpose Bitcoin ETF, making it the first to gain regulatory approval in North America. Now, usually Canada does actually get access to, I guess, ETF approvals before America. This also happened with, again, marijuana ETFs. And the fund is pretty much designed to provide investors with exposure to the world's largest cryptocurrency by investing directly in physically settled Bitcoin, the company said in a statement. Also, I do want to say, if you guys are Canadian and you do actually want to just buy Bitcoin, I strongly recommend using Shakepay. There's going to be a link down below, and if you actually use my link, you actually get $30 for free when you buy $100 worth of crypto. It's super easy. You can literally e-transfer money into the app, and you can buy Bitcoin within literally like 10 minutes. So strongly recommend Shakepay, link down below, go check it out. So pretty much, yeah, like this isn't the first time, like I said, Canada has beat the US. And Canada has a long history of improving new types of ETFs before the US. There are currently at least 4 filings for a Bitcoin ETF in Canada that are still yet to be approved. And this is, again, also very interesting because it looks like there's going to be multiple different types of ETFs for Bitcoin. And this obviously is good news because as this becomes more accessible and more, I guess, normalized within the markets, what do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin, guys? Bitcoin is only going to go up from here, in my opinion. Long term, there's only upside. And I think 2021 is one of those years that really just opened everyone's eyes for crypto. We have people like Elon Musk talking about crypto. We have Tesla buying Bitcoin. We have Apple Pay recently talking about how they're going to be allowing, I believe, people to pay with Bitcoin or something like that. We have just so many people talking about Bitcoin, and now there's a whole ETF. The average stock market investor who doesn't really want to get involved into cryptocurrency is going to be able to at least reap the rewards of crypto, or at least Bitcoin to start off with. And this ETF will be the first in the world to invest directly in physically settled Bitcoin and not derivatives, allowing investors easy and efficient access to the emerging asset class of cryptocurrency, quoted by Purpose Investments. And you see, investors have been able to trade Bitcoin using future contracts on the CME or GME derivatives exchange. Again, guys, I'm just reading off a laptop here. They can also buy closed-end investment funds such as Bitcoin Fund on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Now, I'm not too sure what this means for American investors. I'm pretty sure they'll be able to buy a Canadian ETF. Regardless though, since Canada has pretty much approved the first Bitcoin ETF, I'm pretty sure, I'm assuming within the next few months, America or the United States of America will probably approve of a Bitcoin ETF as well. And again, this is just going to be very interesting to see because once there's a Bitcoin ETF, what if there's an Ethereum ETF, a Ripple ETF, a Dogecoin ETF? I don't think that one will happen, but there just is a lot of chances and now new opportunities and potential for cryptocurrencies as a whole. Like I said, me personally, I am invested into cryptocurrency. It's not the majority of my portfolio, but I want to say it's almost at around 20% now. So guys, like, if you have some money laying around, it's just like, it kind of baffles me. Like, hey, why wouldn't you just throw in, like, even if it's just $100 into Bitcoin or, whatever cryptocurrency you want? Because at the end of the day, we all understand that crypto is going to go up. There are insane gains that people have made. So why miss out on that? Like, just put in a bit of money if you can. Like I said, I use Shakepay. Just use the link down below and just put in a bunch of money into it, or a bit of money, however much you want. Guys, pretty much that wraps it up. I just wanted to make this video to kind of inform everyone about the new Bitcoin ETF. Like I said, I'm going to be covering more videos about crypto and just investing in general. So if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, as I'm on a mission to get to 4,000 subscribers. Like I said, if you're new around here, consider subscribing. Also, down below, a Discord link for everyone to join. And to conclude, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, stay seeking success.